What's up guys? For today's video, 20 exercise circuit yung gagawin natin. 30 seconds work, 10 seconds rest. Kasama natin si Mama po. Okay, tara. Game. Ready? Position. First workout natin is imaginary skipping rope or jump rope. 3, 2, 1, go. 30 seconds. Alali lang muna kasi 20 exercise to. 17 seconds. Your arms, like skipping ropes. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, 10 seconds rest. Next natin is squat to reach. Squat, then reach up. Okay, squat, then reach up. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Whew. This is circuit endurance challenge. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, next, downward dog to cobra. Okay, so downward dog to cobra. Okay, cobra to downward dog, okay? So, taas yung hips, mamipil, taas, then cobra. Stretch your hips, taas, then cobra. So, warm up pa lang to. Cobra, that's it. Taas yung bat, then cobra. 17 seconds. Downward dog, then cobra. 10 seconds. Stretch your hips, warm up pa lang to. 4, 3, 2. Okay, stop. Next, reverse lunges. Start tayo sa right, then knee drive. So, reverse lunge, then knee drive. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Alalay lang ha, kahit di ganun kababa. Dahan-dahan lang. 30 seconds to. So, dahan-dahan lang. Controlled. Huwag magmadali. 13 seconds. Balance. Balance. 4, 3, 2. Lipat sa kabila. Left side tayo, mamipil ha. Ready? Left. 3, 3, 2, 1. Go. Then, touch your knees. Balance. Dahan-dahan lang. Ikaw mag-face. Sige, dahan-dahan lang. Sasabay ako sa'yo. 17 seconds. Let's go, guys. We can do it. Let's go. 10 seconds. Woo. Woo. 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next natin, planks and shoulder taps. Planks, shoulder taps. Okay, 30 seconds. 2, 1, go. Start sa left, then dahan-dahan lang mga apple. Slow and controlled. Sasabay ako sa'yo, ikaw mag-tempo. Controlled. Engage your core. Engage your core. 8 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, next. On the floor pa rin. Mountain climbers tayo. Mountain climbers. Ikaw mag-control ng tempo, mamipil. Mga apple. Okay, ready? Go. Mountain climbers. Go, mga apple. Faster. Konti. Let's go. Let's go. 18 seconds. 15 seconds. Peace lang. 13 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, rest. Next, glute bridges tayo. Glutes bridges. Hip bridge. 5, 4, 3, taas yung hips lang. 2, go. Breathe. Toes up ha, toes up. Go. Let's go. Up, let's go. Up. 14 seconds. Go. 10 seconds. 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Okay, relax, stand up. Standing bicycle crunches. Okay, like this. Okay, start here. Go. Tuloy. 30 seconds. Go. Squeeze your abs. Squeeze your abs. Tuloy. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, next. Lateral shuffles. Run, then touch. Run, then touch. Okay? Start tayo doon. Huwag masyadong malayo. 3, 2, 2 steps lang. Go. Touch. 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 Go. Go. Whew. Whew. Let's go. Move your fast feet siya. Maliliit lang. Pero mabilis. Go far pa. Laro ko pa konti. Doon. Go. Mamapoy. 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, stop. Next. Harap dito. Single leg deadlift. Okay, start sa left. 4, 3, 2. Go. Deadlift. Baliktad. Other leg. Tayo, then touch. One side lang muna. One side. One side. Puro left yung aabutin mo. Let's go. 15 seconds. Balance. Balance. 7 seconds. Let's go. 2, 1. Okay, kabila. Harap dito. Right side tayo. 2, 1, go. Walang kapit. Kung kaya. Pero kung di kaya, pwede kumapit. For balance. Lapag. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's burn. Let's go. 9 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, hinga. Next, burpees tayo. No jump. Burpees, no jump. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Stand up lang. Hinga. Breathe in, breathe out. 15 seconds. Let's go. 6. Last one. Okay, rest. Russian, high knees. High knees. 3. Huwag masyadong mataas ha. 30 seconds to. Go. Please lang. 20 seconds. Inhale sa nose, exhale sa mouth. Konti na lang to. 6 exercise na lang. Okay, hinga. Next, Russian twist. Russian twist. On the floor. 3, 2, Russian twist. Go. Yes, twist. Pag di na kaya, pwedeng ilapag yung paa sa floor. Mas maganda nakataas. 13 seconds. Okay, stop. Next, seated knee to chest. Frog crunch. Frog crunch. Go. Dandahan lang. Squeeze your lower abs. Pwede mag-touch yung feet sa floor. Squeeze your lower abs. Tiis lang. Konti na lang to. Let's go. 13 seconds. Tiis lang. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, stop. Next, stand up. Jumping jacks. Full jumping jacks. Go. Let's go mga apple. Let's go guys. 15 seconds. Oh. Okay, stop. Squats. Squats. Air squats now. 2, 1, go. Full range. Full squats. Baba mo, Mama Apple. Para talagang burn. Ha! Woo! Let's go! Woo! Woo! Full range. Okay, yeah. Next on the floor. Planks. 30 seconds planks. Straight arm plank lang ha. 3, 2, 1, hold. Go. Tiis lang guys. 16 seconds. Ooh, 10 seconds. Woo. 2, 1. Okay. Next, last, toe touches. Taas yung paa, then touch. 3, 2, 1, go. Try to reach. Let's go. Mga Apple. Push mo. Try to reach. Last na to. Come on. Let's go. 15 seconds. 12 seconds. Let's go. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Nice one. Woo! So yun guys, 20 exercise, circuit workout, 30 seconds work, 10 seconds rest, medyo mabilis. After this round, pahinga kayo na 1 to 2 minutes, then gawa pa kayo ng isang round. So yun lang. Thank you Mama Paul. Good job.